Okay, I told you I'd show you how to do this in Excel, and this may be more than you're wanting to do too, but I figured I'd give you the option. So I've already put this information in over here from our Jefferson's method example. So you would have to, type everything up. First of all, to find the standard divisor, and when you're in Excel, to find something, you always hit equals first. So the standard divisor would be equals, and then I'm going to go up and select on the total divided by the number of seats, and that tells me the standard divisor. So if I want to find the standard quota for each of these states, I would say equals, select on the state, divided by the standard divisor, and hit enter. And actually, if I go back up, I could do that for each of these, or if you want a little shortcut, the standard divisor was in cell B10. If I put dollar signs on either side of the B, it'll keep that cell and change for all the others. So see how this one was B2 divided by B10, this one's B3 divided by B10, this one's B4 divided by B10, and so forth. To find the lower quota, I'm just going to copy over the other ones. Actually, the easiest thing to do is just to do it yourself. So 32, 138, 3, 42, 41, 13, and 19. Okay. So here's the part where we're trying to find what the modified quota would be. So let's say I first chose the modified quota to be 49,000. And by the way, I can total here by selecting all those cells and going to formulas, auto sum, and it'll tell me the sum of all those. So you can see we're still short 4. Okay, so now if I want to use the modified quota, then I would say equals, and then, sorry about the dinging, that would be my cat. The population divided by the modified quota, and I'm going to change, go ahead and hit enter, and then change that to keep the 11 with the dollar signs, and pull that down. And let's say this were the apportionment. So we would do 33, 141, 3, 42, 13, and 20. And let's see what that total is. 252. So it's too big. So basically I've gone down too far. So that's why we could choose something in between, like 49,500. Notice when I change that number, it automatically changed things here. Of course, I need to go change these though. So 33, 140, 3, 42, 13, 19. There we go. We've got 250. So Excel is an option if you'd like to use it.